Google's Gemini AI can read your screen. It can see your screen. It can understand your screen, and it can help you figure out any website, any piece of software. I'm really excited about this. I'm normally a ChatGPT person, but I came across this feature. If we go to aistudio.google.com, and I'm definitely not the kind of person that likes to have a million tools, a million different things to log in on, but I saw this and I was super blown away that it can basically pull up any piece of software, WordPress, Photoshop, Canva, and you can talk back and forth with the AI, and it can be your buddy, someone looking over your shoulder telling you what to click on. So I'm going to be using this maybe today for WordPress, just messing around for a few minutes, and maybe some Canva, I'm not quite sure. And I know that in a future date, I'm going to use it to teach me something I don't know. But for now, just a quick video trying this out. So we go to aistudio.google.com. I only started using Google's AI yesterday, been using ChatGPT since it came out. So I'm still a little kind of confused, and maybe I even need the AI to talk me through this. But anyway, this is the free version, did nothing else other than just log in on my Google account. And we can click on Stream Real Time. And then here's our choices. Is either talk to Gemini, show your web camera, or share your screen. So I actually haven't done the web camera thing. I'm really curious. So if I turn off my web camera, I click on show your webcam, allow your cameras, just for fun. So I'll allow you to see my audio.
Okay, I understand. You are allowing me to see your audio. Is there anything else you would like to share or discuss?
How many fingers am I holding up?
You are holding up 3 fingers. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss?
What am I doing on camera?
You are giving 2 thumbs up. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What do you see on the camera?
I see a notebook page with writing on it. The writing is a list under the heading Tuesday that includes Mitchell details plus onboard and creating bio plus register. There is also an incomplete third item. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What kind of phone is this?
That looks like an older model of an iPhone. Is there anything else I can help you with?
What is a fun demo to demonstrate using this webcam feature?
You asked what a fun demo is to demonstrate using the webcam feature. Would you like me to suggest an example?
Yes, please.
Okay, a fun demo could be using the webcam to create a virtual background or changing your appearance with filters or other visual effects.
Never mind.
Would you like to
No, thank you.
Okay, no. Okay, you're welcome. Is there
So we'll disconnect from that stream, and let's try instead. Can we start a new stream? And we'll do what we came here for. Share your screen.
Okay, I can see your screen. Is there anything you'd like me to focus on?
Instead of window, I'll do entire screen, and then I'll do the screen we're currently on.
Understood. So you're sharing your entire screen, specifically the one we're currently using. Is that correct?
That's right. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. It looks like you're on the Google AI Studio page, specifically in the Stream Real-Time section. Is that correct?
That's right. I am going to open up the program called Local by WordPress. Have you used this before?
Okay, I see that you've opened Local by WordPress. I have not used it before. Is there anything specific you'd like me to observe or do with it?
Help me create a new WordPress site.
Okay, I see you'd like to create a new WordPress site using Local. I can guide you through that. Would you like me to start now?
Yes.
All right, to create a new WordPress site, you'll need to click the plus button at the bottom left corner. You see that?
I see it. I've clicked it.
Great. Now you have the option to create a new site or create from a blueprint. It looks like create a new site is already selected, so you should click continue at the bottom right of the screen. Do you see that?
Continue.
Okay, now it's asking for your site's name. Type in the name you'd like and then click continue.
Do I need to do any advanced options?
It looks like the advanced options section is collapsed and the default site domain and path are already set for you. If you're okay with those, you can just click continue without expanding the advanced options.
Great. Now
Is that-
what? That's right.
It looks like the preferred environment is already selected, so just click continue again.
Continue.
Okay, now you need to set up your WordPress username, password, and email. Once you've done that, click add site.
How do I generate a secure password?
You can click the eye icon on the right side of the password field to toggle the password visibility. You can then manually type in a password, or, if you prefer, you could use a password generator. Do you have a specific generator in mind, or would you like me to recommend one?
Can you generate a password for me?
I am not able to generate a password for you. I recommend you use...
a password generator.
Okay, I can help you with that. Would you like me to show you an online password generator or a program on your computer?
Yes, please. Where do I go?
Okay, I recommend using a secure password generator that can do so. Do you want a recommendation?
Yes.
Okay, open a new tab in your browser and search for password generator. There are many free options available that you can use.
Which one do you like?
You can select any of the password generators you feel comfortable with. I don't have a preference for one over another.
Okay, whatever. So we'll generate this password. I'll copy it out. I will enter it into local.
Okay, I see you've copied a password from LastPass. Now, I'll paste that password into the password field in local by WordPress.
I've done that and I've clicked add site.
Great, it looks like local is now provisioning your site. It's showing a provisioning services pop-up and then starting up site services. It might take a minute or two, so
While we wait, can you tell me a joke?
sure, while we wait for your site to finish, here's a joke. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything.
While that loads, I think I need help choosing a WordPress theme and customizing a WordPress site. I'll pull up different tabs of websites that I like. I will pull up Grant Cardone's website, and I'll also pull up outsourceschool.com. I don't want to pay for any themes, and I really don't like when I install a theme and I have to install all these extra plugins along with it. So I'd like a clean, simple theme that does what I want. When I go to this Outsource School website and I look at the blog section, I am going to view the source code and show you it. That way we can get an idea of what theme to use and maybe what plugins and how to customize.
I see that you're navigating to... Okay, it looks like you're looking for a theme that doesn't have a lot of extra plugins and that you can customize. You've navigated to the Outsource School blog to potentially find some information on themes. Is that correct?
That's right. It looks like they use the Elementor plugin. And when I also look at the themes, looks like they're using the 2020 theme. So I like the look of this Outsource School website. And I also like the look of this other website called grantcardone.com. And I'm looking to see if he has a blog section as well. I like how these sites look professional and have clean, large, readable text.
You like how large and professional the Grant Cardone website looks? Is that correct?
That's right. So now that I've shown you a couple of designs, I'll close these tabs and I'll check and see how our WordPress installation is going. What do I do next? Oh no, did I close the tab? Something went wrong. Start a new stream. Oh no. We're completely stuck. We just timed out. There's no way to get back in, I guess. So much for that idea. I'll do one other. Share your screen.
Okay, I hear you saying something about a screen. Did you want to discuss something about the screen?
Yes, I just installed a WordPress website and I need help customizing it.
Okay, it sounds like you just installed a website and need help customizing it. Is that right?
That's right.
Okay, I understand you want to customize a website you just installed. What kind of customization are you looking to do?
I would like my brand new website to look like outsourceschool.com. I'll bring open a new tab and show you what that looks like.
Okay, so you want your new website to look like sourceschool.com. Is that correct?
Outsourceschool.com. They use the 2020 theme and Elementor to build the site.
Okay, it looks like you want to use the same 2020 theme and Elementor to build your site like outsourceschool.com. Is that right?
That's right. Help me.
Okay, I understand that you want to use the same 2020 theme and Elementor to build your site like outsourceschool.com, and you need my help. Can you tell me what specific part you need help with right now?
All of it. Help me navigate WordPress.
Okay, you want help navigating WordPress. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay, I can help you with that. What part of WordPress do you want to start with?
I have this screen open on local. I need help getting into my WordPress site.
Okay, you have a local WordPress site open and need help getting into it. Do you see a WP admin button on the screen?
Yes. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. Click on the WP admin button to access your WordPress admin area.
I've clicked it. Now what?
Okay, you should see a WordPress login screen now. You will need to enter your username or email address and your password to log in. Do you remember your login credentials?
I don't, but give me a moment to get logged in.
Okay, take your time. I'll wait.
I'm now logged in. Here's the dashboard.
Great! You are now logged in and can see your WordPress dashboard. What would you like to do next?
I would like my website to look like the Outsource School website. So help me setting the 2020 theme and Elementor elements.
Okay, you want your website to look like the Outsource School website and need help setting the 2020 theme and Elementor elements. Is that right?
That's right. Please help.
Okay, I see you are on the page editor. To start, can you click on the plus sign button at the top left to add an element?
Let me go back.
Okay, you want to go back. Where would you like to go back to?
Help me set the theme to 2020.
Okay, you want to set the theme to 2020. To do this, please click on the Appearance option in the left menu and then click on Themes.
Now what?
Okay, you're on the Themes page now. Do you see the 2020 theme? If so, click the Activate button. If not, click the Add New Theme button at the top of the page and search for the 2020 theme, and then click on Install, then Activate.
I've clicked on Add New Theme. Now, where's the 2020 theme?
Okay, I see the 2020 theme. It is in the second row, in the middle. Please hover over it and click Install, then Activate.
I've just activated it. Now what?
Okay, the 2020 theme is now active. What do you want to do next?
Help me make the site look like outsourceschool.com.
Okay, you want help making your site look like outsourceschool.com? Since you've already activated the 2020 theme, you'll now need to install the Elementor plugin. Do you want me to guide you through this?
Yes, please.
Okay, to install the Elementor plugin, go back to your WordPress dashboard. Then, click on Plugins in the left menu, and then click on Add New Plugin.
Now what?
Okay, now you should see a search bar at the top right of the plugins page. Please type in Elementor in the search bar and press Enter.
Now what?
Okay, you should now see several plugins. Look for the Elementor Website Builder plugin, which has more than 5 million active installations, and click on Install Now.
Now what?
Okay, now that Elementor is installed, click on the Activate button to activate the plugin.
Activated.
Okay, you have activated the Elementor plugin. Now you can use Elementor to build pages. Do you need any more help for now?
Help me create something simple in Elementor.
Okay, you want to create something simple in Elementor. To do this, let's start with a page. Go back to your WordPress dashboard, then click on Pages, and then click Add New.
Waiting for that to load. Exit
Okay.
to WordPress. Then I'll go.
Okay.
Whoa. Hang on a second. I'm not ready for you yet. Let me go to Pages.
Okay.
And then Add New Page, as you said.
Okay, you're on the Pages screen now. Do you want to select an existing page to edit with Elementor or create a new page?
Let's create a new page. Help me fill in a few items. That way I get the hang of Elementor. Are you still there? Something went wrong again. Okay, well, I guess that's a good place to stop. It reminds me a little bit of when ChatGPT Canvas came out a few weeks ago, and it was a great feature, but still a little buggy. I can still see how I could restart the real-time streaming again and have it walk me through. So even though the Google window is crashing after, it feels like maybe 5 or 10 minutes of a process, we can still pick it right back up. And it is pretty cool that it can see my screen, it can tell me what to click, it even understands if things go wrong, we have to think on our feet. So that is a very interesting experiment and a first jump into Google AI Studio. I'm the kind of person where if I can just jump in and it's almost like a fun game where we can use some tool just to play around, see what we can create, that's a good starting point. We go to aistudio.google.com, click on this stream real time on the sidebar, and then once we did that, it gave us three options. We could either talk back and forth with it, which I've done with ChatGPT many times. Just basically you speak and it speaks. Then there's the web camera option, which was pretty cool. It could understand handwritten notes, things we held up on the screen. I imagine if could like do a drawing or a diagram or something, it could understand that. But what was really cool and impressive was sharing our screen and having it walk us through the software tutorial. So that is Gemini 2.0, just the first glance, first demo. What spurred me into action of actually giving it a shot was this streaming real-time sharing your screen feature where it can walk you through any kind of a piece of software. So let's try it again in the future. Let's use it for Canva. Let's use it for some Adobe tools because you can learn almost anything you need to know from YouTube University. You look up that piece of software on YouTube, but then you get stuck so many times just being on some kind of screen. I can see how it's a helpful tool to get us to where we want to go. aistudio.google.com, stream real time, share your screen. Amazing tool. I hope that they get those bugs worked out, but for now, it still gets us there. Robert Plank, like and subscribe.